Guys, I messed up my wheel. And it's only been a week after owning the Tesla. Pretty sad about it, but we're gonna get it fixed. We got Zolug coming by, and it's a mobile service, so we're gonna get it fixed today. Hopefully it looks good, because it's been really sad to look at. I mean, look at this. It looks bad. I mean, I guess it's not too deep, but it still looks bad. And it's super sad that it only happened after a week. Well, I mean, luckily it's located on the passenger rear wheel, so I haven't been noticing it as much, obviously, because I don't, tend to walk towards that side. But it's still frustrating to know that it's there, it's messed up, but we're gonna get it fixed today. So I'm excited about that. But unfortunately it did happen after only a week of owning it. Super sad, but it's gonna be done, and hopefully it looks good. Alright, we got Zolug here. Basically we're start taking off the wheel and getting it prepped for the painter. So got Chris here jacking up the vehicle right now and getting that rear wheel off. That was quick. Got it jacked up. Now we got the rear wheel off. Starting to get it prepped. First time taking a look at the brakes and the caliper. Everything's back behind the wheel, so pretty neat. So Zolug has a sweet setup. Basically has everything that you would need to replace tires and do any tire work in a van. Right now we got Chris deflating the tire a little bit to get some room to work around the wheel. So that's pretty cool. There's a generator set up back here. Behind this door is a pretty large compressor. So really cool setup. Here's that he's getting it all wiped down and cleaned up. Got the tire already deflated. So everything's getting started. Yeah, there's a lot of prep work going on. Looks like another solvent that he's sprayed onto the wheel. Probably another degreaser. So I have two different bottles here to spray. See right there. So you said that's an 80 grit?
Yeah. Yeah, this is an 80 grit with a it's an orbital sander, so it's just not gonna take off as much as like a grinder.
Right. It's just sad to watch this being done to a brand new wheel.
Yeah, exactly. It's trust me. When I was at Westside Lexus working on all those wheels, it was scary being done.
Yeah.
I mean, you gotta just that's where it gets to the point. That's why you want to be comfortable and just trust the guys you got painting.
Yeah,
sure,
yeah. The big thing about Zolug is that they're a mobile tire shop. So basically they can replace all your tires at the convenience of your own house, which is really nice, very convenient. And they, like I said, these guys have everything in the van set up and ready to go. So you could buy the tires straight through them too, and they have pretty much competitive pricing. So it's definitely a great service. Highly recommend Zolug. Chris already got everything sanded down with a 80 grit. Looks like he switched over to a 120 grit. Start smoothing it out some. So, starting to look pretty good, even though we haven't painted it yet. Alright, looks like they finished sanding it with 320 grit and 600 grit. Started taking it off, cleaned it up, and as you can see, it's starting to hit it with some, appears to be some primer. So, all the gashes from the curb appear to come out, and it's pretty smooth. So, starting to look back normal. And that was pretty quick with that one first layer. I mean, it just looks really good already. So overall, pretty happy with the repair of my wheel. So, I mean, looks pretty good. Pretty happy with that. And so, anyways, hopefully this won't happen again, especially after a week of just owning the car. So, but if you guys are in the Houston area and have a messed up wheel, need to get it repaired, give Chris over at Zolug a shout, and he'll swing by, mobile service, replace his tires and all. And of course, what I had done today was repair the wheel. So happy it's done. Now we're back looking like new again. All right, guys. Catch you guys in the next one. See ya.